everyone? Corey Parks here, back again. Wanted to show y'all another project that we completed. This customer originally called us out due to musty smells in their home coming from their crawl space. Musty smells is always a tricky one because everybody smells different. I'm going to smell different than you're going to smell than my wife or my brother or my mom or whoever. So this is something that we don't guarantee musty smells, but we have had a lot of great success by taking care of those musty smells. And when you think about it, you have a crawl space, if this is your case, that's similar to the ones I'm going to show you pictures of, where it's just damp, wet, flooded, soaked. There's debris laying everywhere. And anytime you have water sitting somewhere, any amount of time, if your shower holds a little bit of water, or your sink or something like that, that smell you get, then it's going to create a problem. So we talked this customer into doing an encapsulation, of course setting that expectation that, hey, we don't guarantee smells because everybody smells different, but letting her know that we have had a lot of success, and she chose to jump on board with a Crawlspace encapsulation. So I want to walk you through some of the photos. First thing we notice is cardboard laying here. That's likely previous contractors, if we had to guess. Cardboard, some foams, just a bunch of leftover plumbing, bricks. This is typical what we see from contractors. It's not how we operate our business. We're the ones that gets to clean behind all of them. Moisture barriers all messed up, not covering the entire ground. Wires hanging everywhere. Old Pepsi cans. You can see the water stains. This bricks are normally about 2.5 to 3 inches wide, so that's 1, 2, 3. So there's been water in this area here at least 6 to 10 inches high that have filled this area, and that's what you're seeing, the discoloration, the staining, the mud looking stain on that brick wall. You can see it a little bit here on this pier. Again, some type of foam insulation that's down there. Debris, insulation hanging. We can see some mold and fungal growth on the floor joist. Again, just look how saturated it is. You don't even have to be there. You can tell that from the pictures. More mold. Crawlspace door looks like a little bit of rot at the bottom. This is not in terrible shape, but I believe this customer wanted to go ahead and take care of that as well. So there's our drawing, and here we are starting to install the drainage system. Again, you can see from the pictures just how wet it is. Getting those drains installed. Sump pump basin where all the water is going to drain to. Our sump pump will sit in here. Get our gravel installed. And here we are starting the encapsulation process. And this is an important part. If you have ductwork like this and you see that tinfoil coating starting to wear off, i.e. you can see the insulation behind that tinfoil coating, that pink color, that's a telltale sign that you have moisture problems in your crawl space. That don't just happen for no reason. But here's the encapsulation. Looks good and clean. Sump pump here, they nice. The discharge is going out the side. The plug's going out the side too, so that's good. Insulation went back in. And just some final pictures. We got our dehumidifier exhaust line, our discharge line to help balance the dry air throughout this crawl space. Not all crawl spaces need it, depending on the size, depending on the layout. Is it chopped up? You can see here we put all the electrical cords up. That's our level of detail. The humidifier, they just plugged it in. It's at 64. That'll quickly get down below 55, which is where we want it. And of course, we have to brand our dehumidifiers. We want everybody to know who's done this work. So just wanted to show these pictures to you. Again, we actually got some feedback from this customer that this did take care of the musty smell problem that she was experiencing. So not something that we can warranty or stand behind, but we have heard this time and time again, how much better the customers feel, how much better it smells. The musty smells gets gone. So just something to take note of. If you have any questions, reach out to us on any of our social media, comment on this YouTube channel or this YouTube video once it gets put up. We're happy to help out. We're just trying to educate our clients, our customers, and any DIYers that maybe want to take this on themselves. So hopefully you like this video, and until next time, thanks.